Japan government na kung magkano ang pwedeng bayaran sa bawat isang lolas natin. Magkano po kaya mas particular po yung mga buhay pa sa ngayon?
Pumasok sa aming mga discussions, no? Ang importante, una, yung reparations should be preceded by a formal public official apology from the Japanese government. Pangalawa, it should be substantial. Kasi we are talking actually of disrupted lives, no? Of a substantial number of Filipino women and Filipino families. Disruption ng entire nation yan from which we are still suffering the consequences. Sa case ng mga Filipino comfort women, for instance, most of them never got to enter formal employment because they never got to finish their education. Most of them, like Lola Estelita here, no, lived in poverty until now. Most of their second and even the third line of descendants still live in poverty, although may mga ilang pamilya na nagkaroon din naman ng konting income, ano? And then most of them never really also, or many of them, never had normal lives after the war, never had normal marriages, normal family lives. In fact, may mga cases pa nga na iniwan ng mga asawa nung malaman na sila ay naghahasa ng mga hapon. Ano? And they lived with this burden for how many years? 50 years? No? Until nangyari itong Comfort Women Campaign for Justice. So yun lang, yung sa usapin ng compensation.
Mental health. Ang Lola Pilipina ay naninindigan na ayaw na namin ng gera. Dahil kung may gera, ang nangyari sa amin, mangyayari uli sa bagong mga henerasyon. Kailangan wala ng gera.
I'm talking of trauma, mental health. Kumusta ba ngayon yung mga buhay pa nating mga lola at kumusta rin ba yung kanilang mga anak? Kasi kanina sabi mo nga yung iba dumating sa punto na hiniwalayan ng asawa nung nalaman na ano. So devastating talaga for the whole family. You destroy the Filipino families because of that. Nakakalungkot. And yet somehow parang walang nangyayari sa sa mga laban ninyo. So hanggang saan ba tayo lalaban? Hanggang saan ba lalaban ang Lilang Pilipina, ang Flowers for Lolas campaign?
Yung laban na ito, hindi na lang naman ito. This is no longer just the fight of the Filipino comfort women, although justice for them remains a core objective of the campaign. You know, wars are still happening all over the world. Even in our own country, ito nga, yung magiging implications nitong control of the US, Japan, military alliance dito sa bansa natin. No? Very important that, and even sila Lola would say, no? Si Lola Estelita would often tell us, I do not expect justice in my lifetime. Sabi niya. Pero, sabi niya, what is important to me is that young people do not experience what we experienced. No, wag mangyari sa mga kabataan ngayon at kabataan ng susunod na salinlahi yung mga naranasan nila. Si Lola Isa nga, the other day, nagkukwento siya nung mabalitaan niya yung mga nangyayari sa Palestine, naalala din niya na sila daw talagang noon para in order for them to survive because there was also no water, no food during World War II. So she was describing this pile of Carabao dung that sort of collects water from the rain, and that she had to learn to drink in order to survive. No, so ganun kahirap. So as long as there are wars happening in the world, as long as there are wars of aggression, as long as there are colonial wars happening in various parts of the world, we will continue our campaign for justice, not only for our lolas, but all other women victims of military sexual violence, all other nations being torn apart and disrupted by colonial wars or wars of aggression.